Hi my angel, welcome back to a new video. If you're new, my name is Aisha Marie, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you both so much for clicking on today's video. You all mean the world to me. So y'all, this has been a very rocky month for your girl. I have cried maybe about twice just this morning, and today is only the 7th of October. So I need a whole restart. Today is going to be the 1st of October for me. I don't know about y'all, but I need to feel a little bit productive, and I need to get my life in order because y'all, October did me wrong, honey, these past couple of 7 days. So I need a do-over. Today is the 1st, okay? The 1st of October. Yeah. So before we jump in the car, I do want to do like a cute little OOTD. Starting off with accessories, I am wearing my Birthstone jewelry necklace. Tweed blue cardigan is from Urban Revival. This tank top is from Zara, of course. These linen pants, Target, and then I am wearing my cute little Tory Burch slide. And then my bag is from Teddy Blake, and I'm so obsessed with her. She's new. I'm literally just breaking her in. Since it's fall, I'm going to be wearing this Hypnotic Poison by Dior. Just smells like a caramelized poisonous apple. It smells really, really good. This is so sad. I'm so sorry. I'm going to give you something to drink. I'm going to feed you, Miss Mamas. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for your help. Oh, it looks so good. I'm excited, and I'm trying to drive slow. I don't know about y'all, but am I the only one who is so nervous to go through car washes like these? I get so nervous. I get so scared. Late to happy hour, so luckily I'm down the street from my friend's house. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get a pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. No, in the back, the next day, I'm like, yo, Josh, we got this chick I already heard. Y'all, this is a complete mess. Let's go for another round. Can I go down first? It's still sitting on my chest. It's still sitting on your chest? Why you think I'm eating fine? She can't. No, but you still gotta get a little more to have it. It's like a French. Yo! And then you breathe out so you don't taste something.
Hurry up, go get your shot. And she didn't give me no chaser. Shot number...
Who cares? we had a time last night, okay? We had a time last night. So that was well needed. I had a lot of fun hanging out with my friends. This month is going to be the best month. I feel like it was a minor setback for a major comeback. Like it has to be, it's no other reason why my month should be starting off this crazy, except for lessons just coming my way. So that is the only reason why I think. Or the devil is just mad. It's like, dang, what did I do? What did I do? I know what it is. I know exactly what it is. I've been praying a lot more. This portion of today's video is sponsored by Birthstone Jewelry. This is a jewelry company that specializes in creating luxurious jewelry pieces that incorporate your birthstone. They have every single birthstone that there is. My birthday is in November, so I thought this was going to be the perfect opportunity to shop with them. What I really like about this company is that you do not have to specifically get your birthstone color. I was able to choose some goodies, and I wanted to see the different options and the different colors that they have. So I'm really excited to share with you all what I got. The number one piece that is my favorite right now is this diamond round cut pendant necklace, and I love the way that it sparkles, y'all. They not only have necklaces, but they have rings, they have bracelets, they have earrings, they have a variety of options for you to choose from. It is a holiday season, and this is a perfect time to splurge on your special person, and what better way to do so than gifting them their own personalized birthstone. It's so personable, and I love that these pieces are so unique. I've been wearing my jewelry through this video if you have not noticed, so I'm clearly in love, and I just love how shiny my pendant is, the way that it was just like glistening in the street nights, honey, okay? Because I was outside the other day. Anyway, we'll talk about that a little later. But once again, thank you so much to Birthstone Jewelry for sponsoring this portion of today's video. If you're interested in any of the pieces that I have shown, be sure to check out the link in the description and continue watching. This is honestly ridiculous. So I need to work on all of this stuff, hanging stuff up, folding stuff, putting stuff away. I'm also going to tackle this closet. Now for the closet, I'm not gonna lie, I'm just going to go through all of my clothes and just do a really good deep detox and just get rid of some stuff. Like, when am I gonna wear this? No time soon. Into the bag she goes. Fine, whatever. I'll donate it. I know I'm not getting rid of my shoes. It took me a really long time to accumulate the shoe collection that I have, because there was a point in time where I did not have a lot of shoes. I probably only had maybe like 5 pairs of shoes, and now I'm just so blessed to actually accumulate a little shoe collection. So I'm definitely not getting rid of anything anytime soon. I remember I searched everywhere for this dress. This dress was just such a moment for me. From Pretty Little Thing, I had bought it used, so now someone is going to be fortunate enough to have it. This right here I can get rid of. At the time that I bought it, I just thought it was so cute, like this Balmain inspired blazer. Gotta get rid of it so I can manifest me a real one. Ooh, I've been waiting to wear this. Oh my god. This right here, this skirt from Zara, so freaking cute. So freaking cute. And this is in a medium again, and like I said, right now I'm like a large. I was eyeing this for 3-4 years, this skirt, and a girl on Poshmark was selling it. Oh girl, I was gonna put this in a pile. Girl, I would be pissed. I would be so mad if I did something crazy like that. Ooh, I haven't even seen this dress. Oh wow, I forgot I had that. I'll be waiting to like go somewhere cute. This dress is so pretty. It has like this back out type of ordeal. It just drapes, and then it's like silk and ruffled at the top, and it's so long. It has like this slit on the side. I'm like waiting to wear this dress. I'm just trying to have like a clean, fresh slate, mentally, physically. My mom always taught me a cluttered space is a cluttered mind, and I definitely believe in that. Yay! Special shout out to Caraway for sending me over this huge package, and inside they sent me a new pot and pan set. It says you're one step closer to cleaner cooking. Yes, honey. Some of you may or may not know, but I'm not the best cook. I'm not the best chef. I'm not the best baker, but I am in the process of learning. So with this new set, I will be able to achieve and feel as though I know how to cook. Oh my gosh, so excited. Don't we just look so cute together? This is probably the closest I'll ever be to some pots and pans in the kitchen. I'm just playing. I want to learn how to cook, and I'm gonna learn how to cook, so period. I need to take a cooking class, honestly. I'm gonna probably invest a little money and take a cooking course. I told y'all I was gonna be working on my femininity, honey, and starting to learn to be a mother and a wife and a friend and all of those things, and this is going to help me do just that. So I'm super excited. If you all are interested, and if you are on your feminine journey as well, be sure to check out the description box. Okay, you all, so I kept opening up the box and I discovered these two items. Look what else they give. They give these pan coasters that you can put on, and when you have a hot pot, you just place it on top of it so it doesn't mess up your countertop. That is so thoughtful, and it's cutely wrapped up. Oh, that's so sweet. And then they also give you these pan holders that are magnetic. Watch this. Oh. Oh, I love it.
I'll wait for you, even though it always feels like I'll be number two. Maybe love again, notice I can stand you up. I don't wanna talk about it, but no one understands me. No, you're the only one who can fight it. To I don't need anything to lie to you, babe. Patient love, love my life.
I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. I was going to write in my journal and fill out my monthly calendar, but I'll probably do that on another day. And I'm not going to beat myself up about not doing those two things when I've done everything else off my checklist, even though it took 2 days. You want to take a shower with me? You know you want to take a shower with me. Come on, Burrell. Come on, grill. Ooh, and I got this new scent I want to try too.
I think I'm crazy. The way I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me the babies. So what you doing tonight? But I said doing you right. Watching the movies, but we ain't seen the thing tonight. I don't wanna keep you up, but you making me keep it up. 'Cause then I like to keep you up. So baby, I'ma keep you up. I bet you the coffee. And I've been eating healthy. Squeaky, saving up my energy. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. 30 for 35. Can you stay up all night?
Bye, y'all. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week.
All these words, paid it all. When they had no, faked it all.